Hi, I'm Lisa Drennan, a certified Oola life coach, and I want to invite you to a workshop that I and fellow Oola life coach Lynn Sullivan are hosting on Saturday, October 17th from 12 p.m. to 4. If you can't make that one, don't worry. We have one coming up in November and December. Just put in the comments below that you'd like the link for that one and I'll get it out to you. But what is the reality of your world? Is it imbalanced? Most of us have gone through ups and downs, and we look at evidence all around us in this unbalanced world. You might see it in the paper, on the news. I mean, who reads the paper anymore? But I do see the newspaper guy out there. Anyways, social media is flooded with information about how crazy things are in this world. People are losing their jobs, their homes, their health is being affected. All areas of our life are affecting everyone around us. So, if you think about the personal stats for yourself, what areas do you feel unbalanced in? In Oola, which stands for Oolala, the feeling you get when you wake up excited to be alive, we focus on 7 key areas: fitness, finance, family, field, faith, friends, and fun. In today's short video, I'm going to be talking to you about fitness. For me, fitness is a challenge, and it's just not about physical fitness, it's also about emotional fitness. I have a Facebook group called Releasing the Repressed Emotions. And in that group, we share all the ways that we can release things that we oppress because we're scared, we're fearful of what people will think. What will they say when we express ourselves? Or if you grew up with narcissist people, people with narcissist tendencies, or empaths, or pathological liars, and you grew up with this sense where you don't trust people because you were hurt or burned, this can affect your emotional fitness. And as a certified aroma freedom practitioner, I have been doing a lot of work releasing repressed emotions. I was in counseling for 30 years and nothing made it impact the way Oola life coaching and aroma freedom practice has done for me. I started this journey in July, just a few short months ago, and I have to tell you, game changer, okay? Not only is my mindset completely different, but I could just feel the release, okay? Tension, headaches, backaches, pain in your legs. Sometimes it's not a physical thing. It's something because of your emotions that you're bearing. And the Aroma Freedom Practice was created by Dr. Benjamin Purkis. And you guys, this is the best thing. You can sign up for a free session. It's like 15 minutes, okay? I highly recommend doing a series of sessions. However, let's not talk about that. We're talking about the Oola coaching workshop being held on October 17th that you need to come to. You need to get your life balanced, okay? If you think of a wheel and there's spokes, okay? Those 7 key areas: fitness, finance, family, field, faith, friends, fun. Those need to be balanced in order for your life to be balanced. I talk to people all the time that tell me, oh, I've been so busy, work is overwhelming, I'm so stressed out, I don't have enough money to pay my bills. You don't have to be stuck. Let's get unstuck. Let's get our wheel balanced in 7 key areas. When I first did the Oola wheel test, quiz, whatever, I love challenges, I found that I was not having fun with friends. So guess what I worked on for the last 2 months? And I've had a blast. My husband and I schedule date nights every single week. We've been getting together with friends, and we've been having a lot of fun, and there's been more balance. So when we dig into fitness, when we dig into health and fitness, we realize that there's choices that we can make. For our physical fitness, we can skip McDonald's and make a fast food. I have some great recipes where I made this really cool unstuffed peppers with a twist. In a matter of 15 minutes, I had dinner and I was out the door going to my class, okay? We have choices that we can make. We're becoming less and less active. A lot of us are working from home, sitting in front of computers all day long. We need to move. We need to get that exercise, that physical fitness in. We need to think about the foods that we're putting into our body. It's not only to make us look good, it's to help us feel good. And when we feed our bodies with stuff, that isn't good for us, it affects our emotions, okay? You get that refined sugar that gives you that high buzz, you feel all giddy, and then you come crashing down and you're miserable again, okay? They say food, refined sugar is an addiction, definitely an issue for a lot of us, and there's alternatives that you can do. The importance is to set goals and to go after them. So think about this. What goals do you have set for your fitness, for your emotional fitness, your physical fitness? Are you where you want to be? Come join us at this workshop and learn all of the tools that you need to be balanced. See you there.